The LWR template in the Salesforce Commerce is scaring you? Don't be afraid. That is pretty easy and better than the hour template. In this video, I will show you how easy can be the LWR template implementation, working with the Salesforce Commerce B2B, B2C Lightning, as well as with the D2C Commerce. But first of all, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this knowledge. You know that it will help me to continue delivering quality materials to our community. I will not explain about the LWR template now. I will let that to another video. But I will let some links in the description where you can find out how to live in this new world. I will show you very quickly how the scripts will work from now on, creating a storefront in a new Scratch org, following the instructions you have here in the README file. And for sure, the things I'm doing now, we also can check in details in the other videos related with this commerce series. Oh, by the way, I'm updating from the old SFJX comments, applying the new SF codes, and until I let this repository public, probably I will have all the CLI codes with the new structure. For example, I have not changed from this force source convert, but I will. Calm down. We have more code here to update, minor error alerts, but don't cause any impacts. We have the publishing, we have the updates related with the old B2B Aura template, the B2B Lightning, but Aura, where you needed to adjust the checkout flow. But now, in the LWR template, that is gone. Thanks God. The rebuild that was fast with a red alert, but will be continued in the environment. Passing the first script execution part, we will do the necessary manual steps, following the documentation, of course. So, let me open the org to do the manual steps there. Behold, using the new SF commands to get adapted. And that is the very truth. You need to adapt yourself to the new things because the new always comes. Now I will continue following the documentation in the repository instead of following in the VS Code. I will apply the manual steps in the system administrator profile, but first I will confirm in the user management settings if the enhanced profile user interface is disabled. Otherwise, you cannot get the CMS and the digital experience tabs enabled. With that confirmed, let's change clicking on edit button and searching for CMS and applying the full on both. Also search for digital experience home and also set the full on, and after that we click on save button. Now we can create a workspace accessing the commerce through the app launcher. Oh, but first, let's take a look in the things we already have configured in the administration part. As you can see in the summary here, you have the buyer access created with the buyer group, the store inventory configured, but not really pointing to any other places because it's just to get you inside that to see how the things can be done. The tax calculation, also just as example. Shipping calculation, price check defined with the Salesforce standard, the card payment gateway configured, as you can also check in the other videos we have here in the channel. But all these configurations were done behind the scenes, and I will really tie that together in the next video, where I will show you the LWR template and a card payment. We also have the person account activated. Since the idea is use the D2C, former B2B2C Lightning, you need to have that working with the necessary record types defined. So let's continue with the CMS. Access the storefront created, that is storefront, the name. I'll copy the name just to not have to write. Now I'll access the CMS workspace through the app launcher, and I will create the new one with the storefront plus workspace as I'm guiding in the documentation, and you just need to follow in that to have the things done. I will put the same in the description I will select the channel, that star. I will define just one language and set that as default. Created. But now we will import this file and you can use this one or create a new one, because the idea here is just show you the way to get there, using the examples to make your life easy. In the CMS, you click on import content, select the file, check this option to let the image publish it. Otherwise, you will need to publish that after the importation, and clicks on import. And as a matter of fact, what I want to show you with this simple file is the possibility to import images using URL link images or images that you have on your local folders. After the CMS importation, you will receive an email confirmation when the images have been available, and just need to refresh the functionality. Now we have another very useful tool in our repository. Let me show you the product workspace first, and you will see that we don't have the images related with that. We will do that now with another script we have. But you can check here in the channel another video in this commerce series that will show you how to do that out of the box with a CSV file. And I think that is also pretty useful. I mean, you can use the scripts to do the relationship between the CMS images and your products, or also use an out-of-the-box option. Take a look there in the other video. Besides, get that also described here. Both are simple in my point of view, but the out-of-the-box is the recommended one, definitely. I will just copy the command and execute the scripts that will do the relationship between the products and the images and the org using the product SKU. And you can take a look into the script and adjust that as you need. Now, when you get back to the organization, the magic is done. And besides that, in this current script version, we also are doing the relationship between the images and some categories, just to show the things more beautiful in the digital experience with this out-of-the-box LWR template. And where you see that? Exactly, in the digital experience side. And as I told you, in the next episode, I will do some customizations in this LWR template, creating a custom one maybe. I will send an order being a business account, paying with purchase order, and other order as a person account, paying with credit card using the authorize.net. But for now, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this knowledge, and comment what you have liked or not in this video. I read all comments. And as usual, love you all, see you later, and bye bye.